Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change location on Snapchat Maps. First of all, go to Play Store. Here, search for Location Changer. Then, go to Settings of your device. Here, go to Developer Options. Now scroll down and tap on Select Mock Location App. Then, select this Mock Location app to Location Changer. From the Apps menu, open Location Changer now. Here, agree to the terms and conditions of this app. Again, open Location Changer. From the map that opens, you can change your location. Also, set your interval in seconds. Then, open Snapchat. Now go to Snapchat Map from the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you can change your location on the Snapchat map. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. The first step is to open Instagram on your phone. Here, go to the home page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right of the page. Then, tap on Menu on the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Here, you have to select Notifications. Now, select Messages. Turn off the message notifications from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh the feed problem. First of all, go to Settings of your device. Scroll down and select Apps. Then select Instagram from here. Now select Force Stop from the bottom menu bar. Then go to Storage. This time, clear cache. So from here, open Play Store from the home screen. Search for Instagram. In the end, tap on Update. Doing so will fix Instagram's problem of not refreshing feed. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete hidden photos in iPhone. The first step is to open Photos